Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we've pretty much finished our little e-commerce site here now. We've added simple products, variable products, contact forms, shop pages, brand pages, sale pages. So now you've got your site all up and running, you're ready to start selling products. What are you going to do to protect it? Now, sometimes when you update WordPress or you add a new plugin or something, it can break your site if there's things that don't all work together safely. And I use a great little free plugin called WP Vivid to back up my site on a regular basis. So if there's any trouble, I can just restore it at the click of a button. And it's absolutely free, and I'll show you how I do it. So let's go down to our plugins page, dashboard, plugins. I'm going to hit the add new button. And I'm going to type WP Vivid, WP-VIVID in the search, and it'll bring up this little plugin right here with the blue cloud. Like I say, it's absolutely free. Go ahead and install it. Once installed, let's go ahead and activate. And here we are, it's activated. And it couldn't be easier. Just hit the backup now button to back it up. I'm going to back up the whole of the database and files, which is the whole site. Basically, you can just do the files or just the database if you want to. Now this plugin works for me I literally got it on hundreds of sites. Only time I've had it give us a problem is with large sites over about 1 GB in size. And it's not a problem with a plugin. What happens usually, it's the hosting provider like GoDaddy or what have you times out because it takes so long. But for most sites, if they're reasonable size, this should work perfectly. So let's go ahead and just do a backup. I'm going to hit the backup now button. And you will see a progress bar start at the top here. I'll pause this while it's doing it. This probably won't take more than a couple of minutes as it's a small site. And there we have it, we're done. And if we look down below a little bit, here's our first backup today. And we can download it, keep it a safe copy offside if you want to. Hit the download button, then it'll create your download. Hit the download. And it will download it to your computer. Now if you wanted to transfer this site somewhere, this is what you'd use. You just install WordPress on the new site you want to transfer to. Install the WP Vivid plugin and then drag this file up using the upload button, load it, and you can restore your whole site to a fresh WordPress install in seconds. Okay, the next great feature of this is the schedule, or schedule, however you like to say it. You can enable a backup schedule. Perhaps I want mine to do I guess I'll just do it fortnightly, which is every 2 weeks. And I want it to do the database and files, and we can save the backups to a local host. Basically that's either on your service provider or I'm building mine locally on my machine here, so it's going to save it in probably your WordPress contents folder in a little folder, WordPress Vivid's backups. You can actually save it to a Dropbox or to a Google or all kind of different cloud services there. It's giving me a flag because I haven't chosen one. I've set up Dropbox before now, works perfectly. It does take a little bit longer to back up because it's got to port those files over to whatever your chosen one is. But I'm going to select 2 weekly and local. Just going to save those changes. Now if you wanted to set up your backup storage, just go to the remote storage tab and you can enter your Google or your Dropbox drive info here, and all you have to do, we'll click on perhaps the Dropbox. If you open your Dropbox and hit the authenticate, it'll authenticate for you and set up everything for you, so it's very easy to set up. Okay, so we've done our backup. Let's prove it actually works. Let's change something simple. I'll change the date on on the timer there. Okay, once the builder loads, let's go down and just change something silly. Let's just change a letter on this huge sale banner. There we go. And just for good measure, we'll change the timing on this one to something like 33 days. There we go. Save our changes. And exit the visual builder. Okay, so we're selling luges now, and we're selling them for 33 days. So let's go and recover our site and get it back to how it was. I'm going to go back into my plugins, to my WP Vivid Backup and Restore tab. Simply going to go down to the backup that we just created and hit the Restore button. Now, that's not been a problem for me, the packet size. It's because I'm doing it on localhost. I'm just going to hit the Restore button. It's going to ask me to confirm. And it says the restore is complete. Let's hit the OK button. So here's where we were. Now when I refresh this page, it should go back to how we had it. Huge sale with a couple of days left on it. There we go. And it really is as simple as that. That restore took less than 2 minutes. And it's a great little feature. So I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.